Microwaving hand sanitizer.
Oh god. Oh my god, it smells like a hospital.
I just cleaned.
You guys have been telling me to microwave expo markers, so that's what's gonna happen.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna need a new microwave.
Being Doritos. Microwaving Fritos. Ugh. Microwaving a bottle of ranch.
Yo, it's evolving. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
This plasma ball, we better.